Hey guys, it's Jessa and this is a template tutorial. I can't wait to show you around one of my favourite pieces of software for stationery editing. Just before I jump in, I wanted to let you know that I am actually using a Firefox browser on a Windows computer. If you are a Mac user and you hear me say the word control, for you it will be command. And just quickly, this tutorial is actually not for mobile or tablet users, sorry.
In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add a background colour to your design. Now this is great if you just want to personalise it a little bit more. Your wedding colours might be different, your event colours might just be like, have blue in it for example, and you want to add a blue background to this. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. When you load up Templett and you've clicked on your template and opened it, this is what it will look like. Now over in the right hand side, you'll see we've got this panel and we've got three options here. We've got pages, layers and settings. So this is what they look like. That's settings, layers, pages. Now the area we're going to want to go to is layers. Now you can see all of the layers from the document appear over here. Now we're going to want to add a background. So at the very bottom you can see there's an add background button. If you click that, that automatically adds a background. Now ideally we don't want black on this design, so we're going to want to change that maybe a light blue. I think that would look great. So make sure this layer is selected. So click on it. Now up in the top toolbar, you'll see there's a swatch. Click on that and the color palette comes up, and that is how you can select a new color. And I wanted to go for like a nice sort of light blue. Perfect, so that's all done. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them.
Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it and I hope it was helpful. This tutorial is actually part of a series, so if you jump on over to my channel, I've set it up as a playlist. Finally, if you have any questions or have an idea for a video you would love me to make, please drop them in the comments below.